It's easy to be overwhelmed with the advances in technology and products that stream about us. We jadedly sort through the claims of the latest and greatest, looking for an advantage we can use, and hope it does not turn out to be empty hype. A much rarer occurrence is when we rediscover a valuable technology that was lost to history, one that easily trumps what we use now, one that centuries of evidence has proven to be the real deal. In this case, the significant performance boost concrete gets from the addition of a natural pumice pozzolan. Roman engineers knew that by adding fine-grained pumice or pozzolana to their hydrated lime cement, the result was a strong, durable concrete. Some 2 millennia later, much of their empire of concrete, roads, aqueducts, temples, stadiums, piers, still stands defiantly against the ravages of time. We certainly can't say the same about our own modern concrete infrastructure, which is constantly crumbling beneath us. The construction industry widely rediscovered the benefits of pozzolanic concrete when the coal-fired power generation industry was looking for a way to utilize the fly ash waste they were scrubbing from their stacks. It is true that fly ash contains pozzolanic characteristics, but naturally calcined pumice pozzolan delivers superior performance and dependable consistency. This fact was proven by extensive studies and rigorous testing performed by top scientists at the United States Sandia National Laboratories and Canada's Atomic Energy Commission. The U.S. Department of Energy had an extraordinary problem: micro-stress fractures around the openings of the transuranic waste confinement chambers at their waste isolation pilot project deep beneath the New Mexican desert. No commercially available grout proved capable of meeting their strict specifications of particle size and durability. They needed a grout that would permeate microfractures as small as a few microns in width, and that would create a seal that would last for tens of thousands of years. The solution delivered by these scientists and their grout expert consultants was an enduring, ultra-fine, cementitious grout mix formulation that included Hess Pozz as a vital component. Today's standard concrete suffers from a host of ills, with the main troublemaker being unconverted calcium hydroxide, a byproduct of the hydration reaction between water and Portland cement. Sulfate attack results from the reactions between calcium hydroxide and sulfates, causing expansion that shatters the concrete from within. Some of that same calcium hydroxide migrates to the surface, riddling the curing concrete with a network of pores. These pores later allow ingress of moisture, which not only causes freeze-thaw damage, but often carries destructive chemicals into the concrete matrix. One of these chemicals, sulfates, react with residual calcium hydroxide, creating expansive gels which cause internal cracking. Chlorides attack reinforcing steel and also cause expansive cracking from within. Once on the surface, the calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide in the air to become calcium carbonate, resulting in surface staining known as efflorescence. Additionally, reactive aggregates release silicic acid, which combines with calcium hydroxide to cause an alkali-silica reaction, ASR, which in turn destroys vital bonds between calcium silicate hydrate, the all-important binding agent in concrete, and the aggregate, significantly weakening the integrity of the concrete, often to the point of complete failure. Excising the destructive evils which calcium hydroxide causes within concrete is quite simple. Introduce a natural pumice pozzolan to the concrete mix design. The finely ground pumice ignites a concrete-enhancing pozzolanic reaction, capturing the potentially destructive calcium hydroxide and converting it into additional calcium silicate hydrate glue, the good stuff. The result? The additional binding agents within the concrete densify and strengthen the matrix, while the deleterious effects are mitigated or eliminated. The advantages of a pozzolanic charge don't stop there. Extensive and ongoing research by the University of Utah and other institutions detail how pumice pozzolans can also reduce heat of hydration damage and increase long-term compressive strength. This body of research provides the necessary data for the industry to confidently embrace and apply the needed benefits of pumice pozzolan.
Hess Pumice was actually really unique. The Hess Pumice was able to resist alkali-silica reaction from occurring within the concrete. And that's unique against any other pozzolanic material because some of the other ones don't have quite the drastic effect as the Hess Pumice did.
By incorporating a carefully refined pumice pozzolan into a concrete mix design, additional benefits are realized. The concrete reacts and cures predictably pour after pour, something that cannot be said for some industrial byproduct pozzolans. Pure pumice pozzolan is the environmentally safe, health-friendly pozzolan choice. Free of crystalline silica, arsenic, beryllium, cobalt, lead, mercury, selenium, and other hazardous contaminants. Because pumice is naturally calcined by nature, pumice pozzolan has a negligible carbon footprint. When used as a supplementary cementitious material to replace up to 40% of the Portland cement by weight in a concrete mix, the immense carbon footprint of concrete is significantly decreased on a pound-for-pound basis. As for Hess Pozz, in particular, there are two additional benefits. Our Pozz has a whiteness that scores a GE brightness of 84, resulting in a beautiful, consistently light-colored concrete that is ideal for use in precast and GFRC applications, where color matching is critical. Additionally, our Pumice Pozz has a specific gravity of 2.35. Most other Pozz products are 2.6 or higher, meaning economically, you can use less Hess Pozz by weight to achieve the same or even greater benefit. Courtesy of the past, reaffirmed and quantified by modern research, what was old is new again. Welcome to the renaissance of pumice pozzolan, the key ingredient in that amazing Roman concrete. Hess Pozz and Hess Ultra Pozz products are produced and shipped worldwide by Hess Pumice, the world leader in processed pumice mining, production, and beneficiation. We distribute hundreds of products to thousands of customers across 6 continents. Contact us to discuss your needs. For 4 generations, Hess has been dedicated to assuring customers consistent quality and on-spec, on-time delivery.